హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు స్మార్ట్ స్టడీ. మనము నేర్చుకోబోతున్న టాపిక్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫర్ ది అబండెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సెక్ట్స్. ఆల్రెడీ నేను స్ట్రక్చరల్ పర్ఫెక్షన్ గురించి లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో చెప్పేశాను. ఇప్పుడు మనం నేర్చుకుంటుంది డెవలప్మెంటల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అండ్ ప్రొటెక్టివ్ అడాప్టేషన్స్ అండ్ డివైసెస్. డెవలప్మెంటల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. హై ఫీకండిటీ మీన్స్ ది egg laying capacity of the female insects. It helps to increasing the population at faster rates. Method of reproduction. Both sexual and parthenogenic reproduction in their insects. The parthenogenic reproduction is coupled with high fecundity helps to insect to increase in their population to large number when all biotic and abiotic factors favorable. And controlled reproduction. Controlled reproduction. Through insect possess high fecundity, there is also high degree of control over reproduction by reducing the number of females that can lay eggs. This character is mostly seen in social insects such as honeybees, termites, etc. In that fertile insects are females and sterile insects are males, like that. In short life cycle, most of the insects have short life cycle, that is 2 to 4 weeks, which helps to insect to complete more number of generations in a definite period of time. Specificity of food. There is a diversity of the food habits among the different species of insects. As they differ in their preference for a particular type of food, there will be any competition among themselves and less competition for food, increasing their chance of survival and further multiplication. Gene evolution. During the process of evolution, the insect have shown a high degree of the specialization to extent that there is a division of labor, polymorphism, etc. to make them to be efficient in their struggle for existence. Then protective adaptations and devices. Protective adaptations are themselves from the adverse environmental conditions or enemies. Insects have developed or attained some adaptations, including the morphological adaptation. Morphological adaptation means color, shape of some insects make them look like a part of the plant, thereby protecting themselves from the natural enemies. Example, stink bug, leaf insects, etc. Physiological adaptation. Some insects produce a release poisonous or unpleasant odor from their body or possess warm coloration by imitating the certain distasteful insects. For example, stink bug. Stink bug have a specialized exocrine gland located in the thorax or abdomen at producing foul smell hydrocarbons. And the one is the larva of swallowtail butterflies. It is have irascible glands called osmotoria located just behind the head, distributing the releasing of repellent volatiles and waves their body back into forth towards the intruders. Some blisters produce the canthridin, a strong irritant blistering agent. Behavioral adaptations. It is the defense strategy adapted by the insects through the death or imitating the voice of dangerous insects or mimicry. For example, Colorado potato beetle, when distributed and draw their legs beneath and drop to the ground and protect as if dead. And some hairy caterpillars also like that only. Construction of protective structures. Fourth one. Some insects construct their shelter with available plant materials from protecting themselves for the adverse conditions, natural enemies, and store food materials used during the period of the scarcity. Example cases are bags in case of case worms or bags, termitory in case of termites, honeycomb in case of honeybees. ఎక్సెట్రా. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్. ప్లీజ్ నా వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.